I'm going to do it. I'm going to cut bangs.
Are you actually gonna cut bangs?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how to?
I'll figure it out.
Yeah, you need to be careful.
I'll figure it out. I'm definitely shaking right now. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. You might be thinking, wait, stop. Your hair is so pretty. Don't do this to yourself. You look way prettier just the way that you are, and thanks, that's so nice. But not the time. I kind of want to just do something different with my hair. I have nothing coming up, nothing I need to look good for, so I can actually just try it and see if it's gonna work. Except for a Christmas card photo that we're taking in a week. Sorry to my mother-in-law. If this doesn't work out, I'm sorry. Parting my hair down the middle. Oh, okay. We can always cut more bangs. You can never cut less than what you've already cut. So that is what I'm going to stick with today. I can't see anything. Where's my scissors? There, it's okay. Don't cut shorter than that. Point cut. Oh my gosh, it's happening. Why am I feeling like I'm chicking out now? Feels good, this feels good. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Oh my gosh. I now get it. I now get it why people go in with a plan and then it just like goes awry when they start cutting, because you start realizing what you're doing and then you start getting scared. Okay. I'm marking off a no-go zone. This is my no-go zone. No cutting above that. I'm getting dangerously close. Oh my, look at this. Oh my gosh. The other thing about cutting your bangs is you can't see what you're doing really. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna add some more face framing pieces. The goal is sort of Hannah Montana. I don't think I've said that out loud, but I think the goal is kind of Hannah Montana. Wow, I kind of look vibey. The goal is just to look cooler than I actually am. Like, I just want to look like I know what I'm doing fashion-wise. And currently the haircut I've had since 4th grade isn't really doing it anymore for me. Yeah, I'm definitely shaking. I'm definitely shaking right now. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. I need to go style my hair and give it a second, but currently look at all this hair on my table. Styling my bangs?
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Did you actually cut them?
Yes.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
You're pulling my leg.
4 hours ago.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
What?
I've been hiding them from you.
No, you haven't.
So I can style them first.
Wait, Leslie, are you actually serious?
Wow, that's a lot of lube. That's the set right there. Is it kind of rock star? Please say yes. Keep your eyes. I'm just gonna, oh gosh. Okay, open your eyes.
Nope. What? Oh my gosh, Leslie. You have bangs.
I know.
I thought you were joking. Wait, let me see.
Do you look like rock and roll?
Oh my goodness.
Do they look too long?
Junior. I like
What
them.
do you think? It's okay if you don't.
No, I do. I do. Wait, it's just like such a different look.
It's a
than
very
before.
different look. I feel like I'm very more like...
I just can't believe you actually did it. I think that's what I'm more shocked by is like, it doesn't have anything to do with what it looks like. It's just like, you actually like,
I actually
cut
did it.
bangs.
I think it could look cool with like a volumized ponytail.
I don't even know what any of this means. Wow, Leslie. It's cute, I like it. It's very cute. I feel like it looks more like rustic.
I know.
I think it's cute. It's some nice style.
Wait, can we try a little like updo?
What's an updo?
So I guess for your mom's Christmas card.
Yeah, cute.
So I can't tell if I look like Hannah Montana or
Bradley Cooper.
So what's next? Going brunette? Just kidding.
I mean, that would be interesting. I can't even envision that. Imagine if our hair got swapped. Right, ready? Let's bonk heads and then it'll be a good transition.
Oh wait, I'm not good enough at editing to do that. I don't know how to do that.
If the apocalypse ever happened, you just only ever have a bald Clay because he wouldn't know how to cut his hair any other way than just shave it all off.
I can cut your hair.
Nope, we'd shave it.
You're afraid I'm gonna cut you bangs too.